Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this whiteboard animation using Canva with
Day
simple
5.
steps anyone can
Stairs.
follow.
Day 10. You read one page.
Let's dive in. First, we are going to prepare our audio file using 11 Labs text-to-speech.
Ever feel stuck? Like you're trying, but nothing really changes?
Generate and download the file. We are going to need it later. Now we're going to open Canva and create a video landscape design. Head over to Elements to start setting up the scenes according to your script. I am going to add this. Add text. Change the font as you prefer. I'm using this font. Add text effects. Let's move the text here. Add a new page. We are going to add a page for each scene. Adjust the timing of the first page. Now go back to the second page. I'm going back to Elements to add visuals to my second scene. Let's look for animated graphics. I'm going back to Elements to add visuals to my second scene. Continue adding your scenes according to your script. I'll finish it and let's move to the next step. Upload your audio file and add it to the video.
Ever feel stuck? Like you're
Adjust the scene
trying,
timing according to the audio.
but nothing really changes?
Now go to Share and scroll down to Download. Download the video pages as separate PNG files. Add a blank page. This is where the whiteboard animation will be added once generated. And here comes the main part. Go to Apps. Look for the Speed Paint app. Click on Choose File and upload your PNG. Scroll down, you'll see the smoothness rate settings, sketch duration, color fill duration, hand style, sketch type, drawing order and direction, and background color. Adjust everything according to your preferences. After you finish adjusting everything, click on Animate Image. It will take a while to generate, so just be patient. And here you are, your animation is ready. Adjust the size to fit the page. Move it to replace the static scene. Adjust the timing. And here's the result.
Day 1. You drink a glass of water. Day 5. You take the stairs. Day 10. You read one page.
Now let's recap what we've done today. Generated the audio file using a text-to-speech generator. Opened Canva and created a new video design. Created scenes using graphic elements from Canva. Added text and adjusted the size and font. Attached the audio file to the scenes. Downloaded the scenes as PNG files. Went to apps and looked for the Speed Paint app. And finally animated the PNG file. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.